Given the equations of two straight lines, one of them is y equals 2 and the other one is y equals 1/3 x plus 1, let's find the point of intersection of these two straight lines. So one thing we can do is do this visually in a graph. So I can even already draw here the two axes, the x-axis and the y-axis, and then let's look at this one here, y equals 2. So we don't actually have values for x, so that means x could be absolutely any value, but what we can say is if this is compared to y equals mx plus c, that 2 is actually the c or y-intercept. So the y-intercept is 2. We'll plug that 2 there. And the m, the gradient, is actually 0 because there is no such term like that. So if the gradient is 0, the rise over run is 0, so it doesn't go anywhere. So it's just a straight line. So good to know, something to learn, that a horizontal straight line is always given by y equals whatever the intercept is in the y-axis. Now let's look at the other equation. So we could again look at this comparing to y equals mx plus c. So the intercept, the y-intercept is 1. So let's plug a 1 here. And we do have a rise over run here. The gradient is 1/3, so we rise 1. Let's do that here in gray. From the red point we go up 1, and then we have to go across 3 steps, 1, 2, 3. Is that right? So that's it. So up 1, across 3. So that's where the second point for that straight line, the red one, is. Then we just draw the line. Where do the blue line and the red lines intersect? Right here. So we need to read the coordinates here. So I can see the yellow projects right here. So what is this coordinate? 1, 2, 3. And that same yellow point projected to the y-axis projects here, which is 2. So how do we write the coordinates? First, always the x, 3, and then the y, 2. So coordinates of the point where the two lines intercept are 3, 2. So we always write the x coordinate before the y coordinate.